Hi, it's Mark from Custom Cruisers. Just going to show you this amazing wheel. This is a custom chrome supercharged wheel, proper 3D. Okay, you can see these spokes are actually 3D, not the usual single. Amazing how the light will glow off them. You know, you can see here. Okay, but beautiful, beautiful wheel. If you had some lights on your fender, this would absolutely look stunning at night. This particular wheel, supercharged 23 by 3.5. That allows us to fit a 130/70/23 tyre. Awesome bit of kit. This is ideal for a bagger, trike, whatever you want. Now, what I've also done, I don't know if you can't really see this, but this is so smooth, everything just falls off it. You know, it's like unbelievable. All the wheels and all the chrome and all the paint, we use this polymer sealant, okay? Permaglass, American from California, absolutely incredible. Does 2 years full protection. Right, it really does. My Sprinter, I cleaned it about 6 months ago. Once you put this stuff on, you don't bother cleaning it again. It's amazing. And you can actually feel that it's so smooth. It's like, it is glass. Like it says, permaglass is glass. It puts like a polymer sealant or almost like a resin over the top. The water will just completely fall off. As you can see, my fingers aren't marking the alley at all. Right, normally that would go off, or the wheels. Okay, amazing stuff. But as you can see, beautiful custom chrome wheel here. We've got a J-brake 6-pot to go with it. This is a serious brake, 13-inch discs as well. So this wheel coupled with these discs, flat bobber upside down forks for this particular trike we're building. And as you can see here, some more of our gear. Okay, so here we have more billet wheels. We've got your dominoes. We've got your cartels, your rafts. See the coloured green one, the raft pulleys. Okay, we've got a domino, very rare wheel, very nice. Okay, you got all your billet your 6-pot and 4-pot brakes by P&M Performance Machine. You got more wheels. That's a Torque, very, very popular wheel. Still make it today. You got your hooker exhaust. You know, bags and bags of steel. We got bags of fenders, bags of gear. We got big bore pistons for Evos. We got big bore pistons for twin cams. Make it up to 103 if it's a 95. Okay, or a 88. And as you can see, brake pads, just basically, you know, you want it for a bike, we've got it. Okay, if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. We do build one-off hubs as well, so if you've got a bike you want a wheel for, I'm a machinist, I can actually make the hubs for you. Okay, and we normally just modify Harley hubs because it's easier, but we can make these ABS, we can make these 3/4, 1 inch, 25mm, whatever bearings you want. Different spaces are required, but we can make those. But just check the shine on this wheel. I mean, that polish is unbelievable. And the quality of these custom chrome wheels, you know, you can see it's bouncing on this, which gives you a bit of a good effect. If I just flick it a bit, okay, you can really see the light coming off that. Good custom sprayers around here as well. As you can see, this is a Jesse James comic on one of my tanks. Nice sexy girl with her guns. More wheels down there. That's the drive side brake wheel. That means you've got the pulley and the brake on the same side, okay, which means very cool. This side of the wheel would have nothing on, so you'd see all of it. Simpson helmets, you know, masses of gear, as you can see. Bit of a mess at the moment because it's actually after hours, so everything's chucked in. But you know, we do all your top oils. We've got your bell rays, we've got your Wagner's top stuff from Germany. We have got your Motools, your bell ray, like I say, your iPhone, very good stuff as well. Silicon Dot 5. You know, we've got your drag specialties oils, which again, very good, made by Spectro. And micro ceramic by Wagner's, very, very cool stuff. That's actually micro ceramic particles that go in your tranny and stop the teeth wearing out, because obviously it's harder than the steel, so it doesn't wear out. Protects everything. Diesel additive. You know, we've got octane booster, you name it. But interested in anything at all to do in motorbikes, we have got some car stuff as well. Here's the old Sportster side stand, stainless steel, beautiful bit of kit. And we do tuning. So anything you need, these are all your cables, more helmets, Simpson, very good quality, all American in general. Progressive 970 shocks, 412s, your ATV shocks, big brakes, tanks, you know. You name it, give us a call. 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.